Guys, I'm just gonna show you my pets. This is my two dogs right here, and this is another two dogs I have. That's mine that I have. That's my mama's. Her name's Little Ann. Hey girl, I raised her. And these are my cows. Let me get close. Those are my cows. Those two. And there is my horse. Here, let me get in the pen real quick. See, my horses. Sam, my saint. Hey, boy. So, yeah, it's that one and that one. Goodness. And those are the dogs. Another pet store. These gals. Have this tree stand. That's my 4-wheeler right there. We have over there is where you can be. And that right there. We got some big trees, as you can see. Oh, sun is shining a lot. Yeah, there's the horses. There's the sun. I'm barefooted, so. I'm gonna show you some more land. Right there. As you can see back right there, it's a big old pasture, but it goes like from right there all the way over there. So, I'm gonna show you. Hang on, gotta get through this barbed wire fence. Alright, I'm out here, I'm getting close to it. Oh, deep in here. Tree fell. And here is where you gotta get by this tree. Oh, that grain. That grain. Thing's still there. Yeah. Pond, tree fell. Yeah. Crap. I gotta get in this tree again. Yeah. So yeah, some more stuff. Oh, and you can go that way too. It's another way, as you can see. See, there's the horsey. See, it goes all the way back there. The frig. I just had a bigfoot. Huh. Oh well. It ain't no Bigfoot. Bigfoots don't live. Alright. But alright. Yeah. Mm. Hey. Alright, I'm back. See? What the freak? Now I keep hearing something yelling. Son. And it's in my house. Yeah. It's the road I drive my four-wheeler around. There's another trail back in there. See? Long ways. So, yeah, this is where I live. And told you there's a trail back there. It's our patch we hunt in. I keep hearing something over there. Alright, that's the farm. Bye.